Hey there, Doug. It's Nick Renfro calling from Hawkinson Kia in the Matson Auto Mall. I just want to thank you for your inquiry on the 2013 Kia Sorentos. I got an awesome selection of Sorentos here. I got awesome rebates as well, up to $2,700 in available rebates, and I got interest rates as low as 0% financing, depending on which programs, how you qualify, and what you choose to do. So give me a call as soon as possible. Also, Kia's got the best warranty in the car business. You get a 5-year, 60,000-mile comprehensive warranty, a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty on your drivetrain, and then we're also going to give you a 300,000-mile warranty that you can only find at Hawkinson Kia. So I'll tell you more about that once you're here. Also, every single one of our customers receives our free 24-hour service hotline. It's like being enrolled in a free AAA service, which is also unique to Hawkinson Kia. We're not too far away from you. It's a pretty quick drive down 355 to 80 to 57 is the fastest way to get here from Woodridge. I can give you more specific directions if you need them, but I really appreciate all your time. Give me a call at Hawkinson Kia. Nick Renfro, that's 708-720-8943. That's 708-720-8943, or you can email me, nick@hawkinsonkia-nissan.com. That's an SX all-wheel drive. That's a sharp one right there. I'll give you a great price on that one. Just came off the truck. Call me as soon as you can, Doug, 708-720-8943, or email nick@hawkinsonkia-nissan.com. Thanks.